Hi guys, welcome in PyTorch fundamentals. In machine learning applications, very often we have to create tensor with random values, and PyTorch provides a bunch of ways to do it. In this video, I will simply explain the differences between them and which one should you use. Let's start with torch.rand and torch.randn. Both expects size as an argument, so let's say I want a 3 by 3 by 3 matrix. It's the same here. And when I run the code, they look quite similar, but there is a very big difference. Torch.rand always returns positive values from range 0 to 1 in uniform distribution. It means that every value in this range has equal probability to appear. On the other hand, torch.randn returns values in normal distribution with mean 0, and it means that these values don't have any range, but the probability is extremely high that they will be close to 0. Look at this chart, it clearly explains what is the difference between uniform distribution and normal distribution. If you are confused with these mean or standard deviation terms, let me know, I can explain it in separate video. Next we have randint and randperm. As you probably guessed, randint returns integers, but it takes different arguments. First we have to specify the lowest possible integer and the biggest possible integer, and then as a third argument we can pass size of desired tensor. Let's stick with our 3 by 3 by 3. And randperm returns random permutations of integers from 0 to desirable number, let's say also 100. Run the code. These random values are from range 0 to 100, and these are randomly permutated also from 0 to 100. But if you have perceptive eye, you've probably noticed that this tensor doesn't have 100 inside, and that's because these values are exclusive. So if you want to have 100 in your tensor, you should set up 101 here and also here. Once again, and it's here. The last one are dash-like family. They need external tensor as an argument, so I will pass this random tensor from previous example. Just remove this print. And as a second argument, I am setting limit. In other words, I need tensor shaped exactly like this tensor, so 3 by 3 by 3, and max limit for particular value is 200. This two needs only one argument, and they are gonna fill this shape with uniform distribution and normal distribution. Run the code. To get rid of this error, I have to convert my tensors to floating points numbers. Now it works fine. All of them has 3 by 3 by 3 size. Of course I can change it, let's say 2 by 2 by 3. It's not a problem. Okay, be aware that this video didn't cover whole topic of randomness in PyTorch. I didn't mention torch.normal, for example, but probably it's more than enough introduction for beginners. Thanks for watching and see you soon.